Good honking afternoon, everybody. A time currently in Blighty, otherwise known as Britain, otherwise known as the UK. It's currently 23:46. I'm about to go on the way from St Albans City Station to create a very, 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 very special moment, never seen before, and always remember. Well, that's what we have. What does one say here? Do you mind the gap? We shall catch up very, very soon. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it. But I got to, because I got to keep the suspense. I'll catch you all very, very soon, everyone. Much, much honking love.
City Thames Link, London Blackfriars, London Bridge, Norwood Junction, East Croydon, South Croydon, Purley, Red Hill, Earlswood, Salfords, Hawley, Gatwick Airport, and Three Bridges.
So here we are at the famous London St Pancras station. I now need to find a train, southeastern train, to a certain place called Faversham, stopping up at a certain place called Herne Bay. Just want to make you all a part of this moment that we're sharing, all a part of the culture that we're sharing, all a part of the love and the experience and the moment. And I will piece this all together, and I'll be back with you all soon. Much honking love. Where do I get the southeastern to Faversham?
Just here, before exit, one level up, turn left.
Thank you very much.
Straight ahead, yes?
So here and turn left.
Yeah.
Thank you. How has it changed over the years? So just up here and turn left. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Boots are still there. Front-a-Mange is still there. Livona's still there. Oh, W.H. Smith's still there. We'll pop in and see what that will. Maybe grab a couple of packs. Who knows?
Sittingbourne, Faversham, Whitstable, Herne Bay, Birchington-on-Sea, Margate, Broadstairs, and Ramsgate.
Sorry, darlings. Thank you so much.
I quite like Margate, it's quite nice.
So right now, everybody, we're on the way to Herne Bay. She was a very fine, lovely lady. Gonna have a pack battle later. Couldn't believe I found this after all that time. And I will let you know when I'm in the glorious Herne Bay. Much love to you all.
Being at Sittingbourne.
Oh, it's so different out here. Is that football? It's Morrison's. Oh, it's super like a Liverpool Stadium. Oh, and the food warehouse. These are things that you don't see in my part of the land. I don't believe that I'm going to be too long. I just one thing that I love about the UK is that you can just go 10, 20 miles and the environment and the atmosphere and everything, you know, can completely change. I can't remember the last time I went to the seaside. I believe the next stop is. I shall check.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
And to actually use a cable, you have to work it out.
Southeastern
So it needs to be like that.
Ramsgate.
Okay. Calling out. Calling.
The next station is Faversham.
And then I believe the next station might be Herne Bay. Oh, I can't wait.
And Ramsgate. The next station is Herne Bay.
Seaside. There was a windsock there, so we know the sea can't be far. Definitely. It's time to get ready. Remember centre of gravity. If you're on a train, always best to keep your feet apart. Keep the core strong. So let's take a look. So HonkHeart. You probably never heard me squat, to be fair. To be honest with you, I really just can't wait to jump off this train. But also, part of me wants to stay on it. But I must goose it.
We will shortly be arriving at Herne Bay.
Tickets. All of you legends that inspired me to be here, you know who you all are. All you people that inspired me to be here, told me never give up. Even when I went, even when I had to go and deal with myself, you all know who you are. And I've got so much. Here we are at Herne Bay. Are you familiar? Do you know which way is the high street to the station?
What, Herne Bay?
Yes. I'm guessing you probably just walk out and you hit the high
You
street.
literally just walk straight out and catch the first road down.
Awesome. Thank
About
you.
15 minutes.
I want to say your accent is absolutely lovely. It's been a long time since I've had a proper lovely accent like that. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
Now arrived at Herne Bay.
Right, so thank you. It's my first time. I've only ever been as far as Canterbury. I'm a Camden girl.
Oh, okay.
Well, thank you so much for your assistance. Have a great evening. Take care. Bye bye. Here we are. So, I guess we were walking towards the town centre. Or I should be a clever goose and put on my actual. This is wonderful around here. I just want to take you around and show you. This must be the flag of the area. I'm just going to take a look at this. Or is it the flag of the company? Who knows? But the flag is waving high and proud. So now we are on the way to a life. You know what's a life-changing moment for me? It's going to be a life-changing moment for many. I thank you for ever. I'm hiding behind sunglasses. You're going to make me well up. Oh God! Come on back, YouTube. Oh, I can manage to apparently. And then you can come on a walk with me as well whilst I do the 1-2 phone thing. And by the way, everyone, I just want to let you know that I'm not afraid of going live. I just haven't got a honking clue what I'm doing. Press all. Not. No. Naughty. Oh, I was so close. Right. Can you give me directions, please, Google Maps? Yeah, that was incredibly helpful. And we're on to Honking. It's actually, in fact, you know, given what Canberra is, oh my day. Oh, it's not too bad. It's a 16-minute walk. So
continue onto Station Road.
Thank you. But I won't be able to record for 16 minutes because Canva won't let me go over megabytes. But I will do a few minutes with you. While my socks are falling. Ow! I'm going to try and make control that I'm going to go run off by any cars like a crazy lady. Ooh. Okay, guys, girls, my family, we're going to be in touch in about 15 minutes
Turn
time.
right to stay on Station Road.
Where am I going? I don't know, but we're going to get there. See you soon. Just a little bit of a update. We've got about 9 minutes to go, but have a look at all of. Oh man, something for everyone there. It's an old Merc. Oh, I love these kinds of things. Oh, that's so cool. Fully insured. Oh. Oh. How cool. We are coming closer to the seaside. You smell the beauty. Oh. Look. It's Magikarp. I'll catch you on a little bit. I'm so excited. The library. Oh, how much is the property about? Wow. Without word or lie or reason, a third of the price of it in my area. Oh my, we're here. We are here. We have arrived. It's open. And I'm about to open up the door. Hello. Hey, which one's Dave? Is Dave here? No, Dave. Did I speak to you? My name's Rachel Hart. Harry Kane card.
Maybe.
I spoke to you. Thank you. I'm a streamer. Would you mind me just doing like a little film around?
Yeah, you can't film down here.
No, just lads. I don't do whatnot and all of that. I'm just starting out. My name's Radiant Goose. I'll give you a sticker and everything. Have a look at all these slabs. I'm actually gonna put it on full screen now. Oh my, autos in the movie. There we go. Oh, this is beautiful. See what we got down here. I'll try and cover everything that I possibly can. Oh my! You got a PokeStocked. Dark Raichu. Ancient Origins. Just, oh, I've got this one. Oh, this one in hollow. This one I've never seen before. How cool is the artwork on that, everyone? Oh. Something for you, Rocket Scott. Let's have a look over here. Dark Blastoise. All the old legends. Deoxys. Amazing. Oh, we got the packs down here. Oh, I'm tempted. I will admit, I'm tempted. Oh, I've never seen that edition before. Oh, this is an amazing shop. Also, I'm not to film the other side, but so we got Beckett's and Eevee and Snorlax, and Pikachu and Sunflower. Oh man, I'm so blessed to be here. So blessed. He's paraded this art and split up and everything. Just take you around and show you the rest of the slab of the raws. Just a quick question: is that the only pack of Steam Steve that you've got in stock for the moment? Looks like it. Yeah, I think you've got a sale there. No, I'm at these Legends sub-centre in Herne Bay, Kent. Absolutely amazing people, and I'm going to cry. This is a world first. Never seen. I know, I'm very sorry. It's not Pokemon related, but it's something very important and meaningful. With the gold 10 authenticated, 1 of 5 in the world. Century 8.5, edges 8.5, corners 9, surface 9. I'm going to complete my PhD, my family. I'm going to change so many lives. Thank you for being part of my journey, you absolute legends. You all know who you are. I love you all so much, even in my situations, especially you, Broly, and the Wiglet that I sent you from Japan at Car Party. Wayne, you never gave up. So many of you. I just found out some cards came from Mr. Chonkachu. He never gave up. None of you ever gave up on me. And I can't believe that I'm going to be here living my radiant goose honking dreams. Funniest thing is I went to a treasure shop and I found it. There it is, everyone. The only that I saw on the Pop of Beckett. Harry Kane, 5 of 5. Jose Mourinho, I'm trying not to cry. Autographed. Yes. I feel better. This means more to me than winning the Powerball. This means more to me than winning the Euro Millions. This is a moment. Thank you to you all. And I honking love you all from my honking heart. Much love. First live coming up as soon as I can work it out. Honking hugs, honking kisses to you all. Much love.
Yeah, I know. I can imagine you all the time. You talk something like that.